So my next guest today is James Wertin. He is the Technical Sales Director for Stannol North America. Great to see you, James. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. So for the benefit of our audience who are not familiar with Stannol North America, tell us a little bit about the company and its background.
Sure. Stannol, Germany, our corporate headquarters, they've been developing products for the industrial and electronic sectors in form of alloys, solders, chemistries, assembly materials in general for over 140 years.
Okay.
We've got multiple strategic locations from where we supply and support products on a global scale.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Approximately 3 years ago, we just established brick and mortar here in Chicago, Zion, Illinois. We currently distribute products from there, but the plan is to eventually manufacture.
So the plan is to actually start making pastes and fluxes over here?
Correct. Short term, it would be solder paste and liquid fluxes, correct.
Okay. James, what sort of footprint do you have over here, or Stannol? Sort of installed base?
Thank you. We predominantly supply the automotive industry. Been doing that for approximately 10 years in the Americas. Mm-hmm. We supply the SN100C alloy.
Okay.
Famous alloy.
Yep.
We supply we're very, very flexible, so we supply small manufacturers, low, medium, and large tier. So contract, OEMs, ODMs, but predominantly, again, known for the automotive industry.
Automotive industry, okay. Yeah, and that market's been, the EV industry's been a little bit slow, but I mean, do you see that coming back up? Is there any signs of recovery on that?
There's always signs on the horizon. The crystal ball, that's, everybody's down. When you look at EV and automotive in general, mm-hmm. We're hopeful that the recovery will be quick. Yeah. But you never know.
Yeah. Well, I think you've got a better chance than the Europeans right now, but there you go. Okay.
Agreed.
Tell me a little bit more about Stannol. How many people have you got working there, and how many service engineers do you have?
We don't. So right now we have a very small footprint. We're growing into that, but the plan is to saturate, grow the name brand recognition, the product recognition, mm-hmm. Get ourselves out there and be available. Okay. I was brought on board earlier this year, and for me, my background is in the electronics manufacturing segment. So a lot of heavy applications development, process development, troubleshooting, root cause analysis. Yep. A lot of design for manufacturability, design for test, but my background extends from materials development, alloy, metallurgy, chemistries, mm-hmm. solder paste, finished products, all the way through board design and applications and process. So I've had my hands in all of it over the years. Absolutely.
So you've had a really wide experience, and you also worked for other paste manufacturers across the industry.
I have. I've been lucky enough in my life to be in the right place at the right time, and had several people that were mentors to me, and paid it forward, and I like doing the same. So my goal is to help our customers one way or the other. Great.
Well, Stannol is certainly a very well-recognized name in Europe, in Germany in particular. As you say, they've been around a long time. They're known for having a good quality product. So I wish you every success with growing it out here in North America.
Thank you very much, Trevor. Appreciate that.
Ko-Young is leading a smart revolution that will change the world of electronics manufacturing. Based on our pioneering True 3D measurement-based inspection technology, we revolutionized the solder paste inspection market to such great lengths that 1 in 2 SPIs sold today is from Ko-Young. Building our SPI technology, we expanded to automated optical inspection, also known as AOI. Every year, we introduce new award-winning innovations and have proudly earned the respect from thousands of customers across diverse industries. Aside from our R&D center in Korea, we have research facilities focused on artificial intelligence and deep learning across the world to help us further develop proprietary AI technologies for your challenges. With our global network of sales and service centers, we aim to respond quickly to your needs and to deliver the highest level of customer satisfaction.